Hi, my name is Jude, and today I'm going to show you the project me and my friend did. This is the stadium project me and my friend did. When we started, the box was plain and it had nothing special about it. But to get going, we had to measure to see what the area was. So we measured the length. The length and the width, which is how wide it is. Now, we had to multiply that to get the area. We found out the area was 374 square inches. The next thing we had to do was measure to see how much area the field would take up. The field isn't the whole place, it's just going to be a little bit of it. So we found out that the width of it was 9 inches and the length of it was 12 inches. So it was 12 by 9. So we multiplied it to get an area of 108 square inches. The next part of what we had to do was we had to put on the stands. There was 2 stands that were 2 by 8 and 2 stands that were 2 by 5. The next thing we would have to do was get the area. So we already knew what the length and width of both of them were. So since we knew 2 were 5, we multiplied them by 2. And the width was 5 and the length was 2. I mean, the other way around. But you get the point. So we did 2 times 2 times 5, which would give us 20. Then we did 2 times 8. 2 times 2 times 8, which would equal 32. Now we would have to add them up to see the total area in square inches. So our total was 52 square inches. Now we had to do one of the easiest parts to me, which was put on the fence. We needed to calculate how much the fencing was needed. This time we weren't going to do area. This time we were going to do perimeter. The perimeter is the area around, not inside. So we already knew the length and the width of the whole box, or whole stadium. So we knew that we would just have to multiply both numbers by 2 since there was all 2 sides were equal. Opposite sides were equal. I mean, same sides are equal. Then we added the answers to that both up. And since we were going to put on a fence, we would take away 4 inches, which would give us 74 inches. This is when the other things we did to find the area of the other thing would come in handy. First, since we already knew the bleachers and how much the field was, it would be easy to do this. We just had to add those numbers to get the total area, just like when we did the bleachers, but this time with 2 different things. So that gave us 106. We already knew the whole area of the field was 374 square inches. So now we just needed to subtract the bleachers and the field to get 214 square inches. Together, me and my friend were able to complete this project. At the end of this project, we had spent a total of $15,760. We had $2,240 left. Our budget was $18,000. Thank you for watching, and I hope you loved my video. Goodbye. See you next time.